rid of is this shoebox that I was using as a laptop razor. I've bought a laptop razor now instead, which makes loads more sense. I share a screen between my work laptop and my PC for when I'm editing, but also my work laptop for work. To get that set up, I need a HDMI splitter. So I've got one of those just here. I just need to set up with all of this so I can use the screen with both simultaneously almost. Kind of. I also use the same keyboard and mouse between my laptop and my PC. So I've also got one of these, which does the same as HDMI splitter, but does it for a keyboard and a mouse, so I can just switch between the two systems, I think. My SCR workspace, you can see mouse is working on it, keyboard is working too. I hit the HDMI splitter button, changes it to my PC. I then hit the USB 3 switch, and now the mouse works over here as well. Same mouse, same keyboard. That is amazing. That's all the pieces I have to add to my desk as it stands. I would like to get some more things that I can actually add in as well. I need some shelves in this office. I need some more storage kind of places because things are looking a little bit messy still around the edges, but I won't show you that. I'd like some accessories for on the desk as well. And yeah, just going to try and make it look more aesthetically pleasing in the future. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't like it, then fair enough. First, I need, I think.